Check out this Batmobile. Now, where did you get the body?
The bat rods.
Bat rods. Okay, bat rods built on a 75 Lincoln chassis. Took 10 years to build. This took some highly individualized material to build this. Let me just show you some of this stuff. To get the antennas right, he had to go to, where did you go? Stop and Shop for the spatulas.
I love it.
That's a Lincoln, late Lincoln, 55 Conti. Geez, that's a rare bird.
The steering wheel is almost 58 Lincoln Continental.
Wow. Oh, I like the switches. Those are cool. Nice. Nice. Those are just the regular growth lenses up there. This is beautiful. I like your jump seats in the rear. The jump seats are great. You must have a ball.
Those are for the grandkids.
Oh, they must have a ball going to ice cream.
Walking over by the food because he's hungry. Like, he just saw that one inside. This one he could have had his picture taken. Yours?
This I gotta punch. Show you.
Very nice.
Look familiar? That's a Folgers coffee can.
Drive it?
Is that cool or what?
Where are you from?
I mean, this is
Staten Island.
great.
Okay.
Absolutely great. Fantastic. Great job. Great job.